Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to use Keel software. So double click the Keel icon. Now this is called Keel environment. Here we are different windows like project window, books, function window, template window and build output window. Now let us see how to create project in Keel environment or software. So click on project, then select new microvision project. On the desktop, create a new folder. We'll name it as a addition. Open the folder. Give the file name as addition. Remember, here after addition there is no extension like .asm or .c, nothing. Say save. Now select the device for target 1. So this is a database. So from this database, we have to select first the company, that is NXP founded by Philips, and then we have to select a microcontroller. So the controller series is P89V51RD2. Then say OK. Now the message is copy standard 805 startup code to project folder and add file to project. So here we'll say no because we're writing the program in assembly. Now go to the project window and you can see here that in the project window target 1, source group 1, these folders are created. Now let's type the program. For that, go to the file, say new. So this is your editor window. So here in the editor window, we'll type in the program. This is a simple assembly program for addition of two numbers. Then save this program. Make sure that you're saving the program in the same folder, that is addition, on the desktop. Give the file name as addition. Now here the extension is .asm because program is in assembly. Save. Next, click on the source group 1, then say add files to source group 1. It will automatically go to your addition folder. Select the type of files as ASM, that is assembly. It will show you the addition.asm file. Select it, add, close. As you can see in the source group 1, addition.asm means this program is added. Now next, we will check the error, then we will build this program and then we'll rebuild this program. So for that we have three icons here: translate, build and rebuild. So click on the translate. As you can see, there are 0 errors, 0 warning. Then build. So you can see it is saying linking the program. Again 0 errors, 0 warnings. And then say rebuild. So we have 0 errors, 0 warning. Now let us see how to debug this program. So we have icon debug, click it. The code size limit is 2K, say OK. In the debug mode, we have different windows: register window, disassembly window, and this is editor window. It's command window, and here we have memory window, symbols window, and so on. So in register window, we have a register bank from R0 to R7, then accumulator register, B register, stack pointer, DPTR, that is data pointer register, program counter, and then program status word. In disassembly window, as you can see here, this is the address, that is 0x 4 times 0. 0x means this value 4 times 0 is in hex. And as you can see, this at this address, this move a comma 11h, this instruction is stored. This address, that is 0x 4 times 0 or 0x 3 times 02, is stored in a program counter. So program counter stores the address of next instruction to be executed. So now let us execute this program line by line. So here we have icon, that is step 1 line. So click it once. So as you can see, this yellow arrow is also updated. Program counter value became 3 times 0, 2, and the contents of accumulator A is 11. Next instruction, move R1 comma 12H, means copy the value 12H in the register R1. Right now the value of R1 is 0, 0. So we'll execute one line. So you can see here in R1 12 is stored. Next instruction, add a comma R1. So perform addition of these two numbers, that is 11h 12h, and the result is 23h, and store the result in accumulator. Right now the accumulator is holding the value 11h. So we'll execute. You can see that the accumulator value is updated to 23h. That's our addition result. In program status word, you can see the parity bit is set to 1. Now to come out of the debug session, again you click on the debug icon. I hope you have understood how to use the Keil software and how to execute the programs in Keil software.